How to make welcome badge in Roblox Studio. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you've been creating your own game here on Roblox, I'm going to show you on how you can go ahead and implement the welcome badge. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the official website of Roblox, and once inside, you have to click on the create button. It will then take us to the create.roblox.com. From here, you simply want to head over to your experiences. In my case, it's going to be this one. So I'll just go ahead and click on the manage experience button. Once inside manage experience, you can just scroll down, and under engagement, we then have the badges option. So just click on badges. And right after that, basically, it will show us this message where we don't have any badge, so you can just click on the create a badge button. From here, it's as simple as uploading an image. In my case, I'll just go ahead and upload this image right here. Go ahead and name your badge. In our case, it's going to be the welcome badge. And right below that, you can also go ahead and place any description. But basically, you want to make sure that the badge is enabled is turned on. From there, we now want to click on the create button. Right after that, we can now go ahead and see that our welcome badge is active. Now, heading over to the second step, which is opening up this file right here. I'll just go ahead and make sure to leave this link on the description or comments down below. But basically, inside this page, all you have to do is to click on the get model button. From there, it will basically add this model into our inventory for the Roblox Studio. This item has been added to your inventory. So just go ahead and click on the try in Studio button, open up your Roblox Studio, and from here, just go ahead and select your experience. In our case, it's going to be the experience that we have chosen on the Roblox Create page. So from here, you want to navigate through the tool section. You can then go ahead and see that right here. If you can't, you can just navigate through the view button, and you want to make sure that the toolbox is turned on. So from here, you want to navigate through this button. This is basically your inventory, and from here, we can then go ahead and see the asset that we have added into our Roblox Studio. So just go ahead and click on it. Click on OK, and we can then go ahead and add this into our game right here. So click on insert, click on OK, and from there you simply want to right click on your welcome badge, click on open, and it will take us to this page right here. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to basically put the code of your welcome badge. To do that, simply navigate back to the Roblox page, and from here we can now go ahead and locate our badge. So just go ahead and click on the three dots on the specific welcome badge that we have created, click on copy asset ID, and from there you want to paste it back to Roblox right here. From there, you can just go ahead and click on the file button, click on publish to Roblox, click on create, and we can now go ahead and implement the welcome badge into our Roblox experience or studio. And so if we go ahead and open up this game into our Roblox, we can then go ahead and see it right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.